Jonathan Saar, the JuvoHub Podcast. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day. We are going to talk about a little bit of a nerd topic, which is super cool for me, but I want to make sure I stay super focused on the application because you're going to hear the word cybersecurity and you may just exit this episode. So please stop. Just wait 1 minute. I'm not going to talk about cybersecurity and implementation. That's a whole different show and a whole different audience. I want you to think about cybersecurity like we think about fire extinguishers. We think about sprinkler systems. We think about fire alarms. They are all items that are on properties, and we need to know how to use them. We need to know their benefits. We need to make sure that they work. That's the takeaway from today. Sometimes we look at technology and we're like, I don't know what any of that is. What is phishing? I go fishing all the time. Why do I have to worry about phishing while I'm at work? Nope, that's right. Oh, I don't know what you mean. Phishing's phishing. Nope, we're talking about a different type of phishing. You have to know. You have to be aware of what you have in place. So just like those fire extinguishers, and you are responsible for their maintenance, for their inspections, you need to have, it doesn't mean that you know how to make a fire extinguisher or service a fire extinguisher, but you do know that it is required and that it needs to work. And that's the perspective I want all of us to think of when it comes to cybersecurity. It is a growing threat. And now we're dealing with artificial intelligence cybersecurity issues. So what does your company have in place? What are their policies? What is their remediation? What steps do you need to take to keep your residents safe, their data safe? What are your personal best practices to keep your information safe? Having a general awareness of cybersecurity is going to protect you. It's going to help you have the right mindset. So way more than implementing some sort of cybersecurity, are you aware of the current threats that could affect your property, your residents' data, your prospects' data, your fellow employees' data? Are you aware of the current methods these terrible people and bots use to expose your data? Does your company do things like phishing tests, not testing your fishing pole, phishing test, PH? What are those experiences like? What do you take away from them? Remember, this is a training podcast. We want to educate ourselves. So this is an opportunity for you and for me to take a moment and think about what we're doing to care for the needs of our residents, care for the safety of them. Jonathan Saar, the JuvoHub Podcast, where learning leads. Take care, everyone.